Hey YouTube, today I have a video on Windows 10 Quick Assist. Like the name suggests, it's quick remote assistance for Windows 10. If you have a family member or a coworker that needs help with their PC, you can use this tool to do that remotely. It's free, and the best part, it comes pre-installed with Windows 10. You will need a Microsoft account to provide assistance to someone, but it is not required if you are the one that needs help. For more detailed information on Quick Assist, visit the link below. Now let's take a look at how it works. Open Quick Assist by pressing Windows S and type in the word Quick into the search box, and then select Quick Assist. The person providing support will select Assist Another Person. Log into your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Give the provided security code to the person that needs help. For this example, I connected to another PC on the right to mimic a person needing support using Quick Assist. Enter the security code into the Code from Assistant box and then share the screen. The person providing help will select Take Full Control. The other side will then need to allow the connection, and that's it. You can assist with any issue on their PC as if you were sitting right there with them. And I think that will do it for now. My name is Steve with Steve's Tech Stuff. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and select all under the notification bells to receive notifications when I post new stuff. Thanks for watching.